Integrated Manufacturing Center. The Integrated Manufacturing Center is a 121 square meter space in which you can program, control, and physically simulate activities associated with supply chains and industrial processes. This laboratory incorporates elements of industrial robotics, storage and distribution logistics, as well as information systems duly integrated through industrial communication networks. This 4.0 Industrial Technology Center seeks the complete digitization of a company's value chains through the integration of data processing technologies, artificial intelligence, and sensors. The laboratory has several workstations that include a warehouse for raw materials and finished products, a conveyor belt for the flow of material, robot manipulators, a quality control station by artificial vision, a machining station, and an automatic control lathe.